Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock smithing in Gothic 1 Remake. Acquiring the smithing skill is one of the best ways to obtain gear since you'll be able to craft your own equipment by finding schematics. Luckily you can unlock this skill early in the game. To unlock smithing, first you need to be in the old camp. Stand in front of Thorus, then follow my path. Eventually, you'll reach this blacksmith's hut just past the free resting area that's available to you in the camp. Talk to the blacksmith and he'll offer to teach you the smithing skill, allowing you to forge equipment through a forging minigame. Keep in mind that unlocking smithing doesn't let you craft equipment right away, since you'll still need to find the required schematics first. And that's how to unlock smithing in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.